Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Ashley. Today's Handwriting Without Tears lesson is all about the letter X. But before we learn how to make the letter X and how to write the letter X, I would like to share with you our Alpha Tales story. And today's story is titled A Xylophone for X-Ray Fish. The letter X makes the X sound. Can you say that with me? Very good. Now, if you look here, you see xylophone starts with the letter X, but it makes the Z sound like the letter Z. And that's one of those tricky words in the English language. So the letter X doesn't always say the X sound. So we're going to read our story about a xylophone for X-ray fish. Today, X-ray fish feels extra special. It is his birthday. X-ray fish is expecting friends for a party. And if you look at X-ray fish, you can see his bones inside of his body. And X-ray is a picture of your bones. And you can have an X-ray done at a doctor's office. So if you were to ever have broken a bone, you would get an X-ray. So they could look at your bone to see a picture of it. The party is extremely fun. Everyone plays pin the tail on the seahorse and other exciting games. At last, it is time for X-ray fish to open his gifts. He knows exactly what he wants. A xylophone. And a xylophone is a musical instrument. X-ray fish has X-ray vision. That means he can see through things. He uses it to examine each gift before he opens it. Angelfish gives X-ray fish a present. Is it a xylophone? No, but it is an excellent gift. Thanks for the ball, exclaims X-ray fish. And there he's using his X-ray vision to look inside the box. And box ends in the letter X, and there you hear the X sound. Next, blowfish gives X-ray fish a present. Is it a xylophone? Let's see. He's using his X-ray vision. What does he see? No, but it is an excellent gift. Thanks for the boat, exclaims X-ray fish. Then tigerfish gives X-ray fish a present. Is it a xylophone? No, but it is an excellent gift. Thanks for the teddy bear, exclaims X-ray fish. There is one present left to open. The tag says, to X-ray fish, from Mom. XO, 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 XO. And those X and O's mean hugs and kisses. All those X's mean I love you, his mom explains. Will this present be a xylophone? It is a xylophone. Thank you for the excellent gift, says X-ray fish. Then he unwraps it. It is exactly what I wanted. X-ray fish plays happy birthday on his new xylophone. All his friends sing extra loud. Then it is time to eat cake. X-ray fish is excited. With his X-ray vision, he can see it is his favorite kind. Chocolate with seaweed filling. Ooh, seaweed filling. That sounds kind of gross to me. But I bet fish like seaweed filling. How many xylophones can you find in the toy store? So I will make a copy of these pages for you boys and girls. And send them to your parents, and then you can circle how many xylophones you can find in our picture. Now, on to making and writing the letter X. So, with the letter X, let's look at our letter X. How many lines will we use? Let's count them. 1, 2. We're going to use 2 straight lines. Are they big straight lines or little straight lines? Very good. You're really using that brain. 2 big straight lines. So, using my blue mat, I will take my first big straight line and I'm going to place it starting at the smiley face, and I'm going to slide down to the bottom. And then with my second big straight line, I'm going to start at the opposite corner from the smiley face, and I will slide down to the bottom corner on this side. And they cross in the middle. They touch in the middle. So there you have the letter X. Now, before we learn how to write the letter X, I'd like to sing to you our where you start your letter song. And here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start them at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start them at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right. Now, boys and girls, we are going to try writing our letter X. And to do that, we have 3 steps in writing the letter X on our chalkboard. First, we need a sponge to wet. Then we need a paper towel to dry. And a piece of chalk to try. So, starting at the top, because we know we always start at the top with our letters, we're going to start right by the smiley face, and we are going to slide down to the opposite corner. And when I get to the opposite corner, I am going to pick up, and I'm going to frog jump to the top again, but this time the opposite side of where the smiley face is. And I will slide down to the bottom corner, and there you have the letter X. And I will pick up, and then I'm going to dry. So I have my paper towel. I ball it up. And do I start down here at the bottom? No, we never start at the bottom with our letters. We always start at the top. And I will start by the smiley face, and I'm going to slide down to the bottom corner. And then I pick up, very good, and I'm going to frog jump to the top, but this time on the opposite side of the smiley face, and I will slide down to the other bottom corner, and there you have dried your letter X. Now to try writing. Again, I start at the top, and I'm going to slide down to the opposite corner, and I pick up, and then I frog jump to the top again, the opposite side of the smiley face, and I'm going to slide down to the bottom corner, and I never pick up in the middle. I always go all the way down, but the letter X crosses in the middle, and there you have the letter X. Now, in your workbook today for the letter X, you will have one page that you're doing, and on that page there is a picture of a xylophone. Before you color your xylophone, we always need to remember to trace first, and when you're tracing, you may use a pencil or a crayon. Try to remember not to use pink or yellow because they are hard to see when we're tracing. When you're coloring, you may use any color you like. You may use all the colors or just one color. And to trace, I start at the smiley face and I slide all the way down to the bottom. Then I pick up and I frog jump to the opposite side and I slide all the way down to the bottom over here. And the same thing for all four of my letter X's. And once you have traced your letter X, all four of them, you may color your xylophone. And remember, most of the time, the letter X makes the X sound. Only in the word xylophone do we hear that Z sound, like the letter Z. All right, I hope you enjoyed our Handwriting Without Tears lesson today, boys and girls, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.